Hi guys, it's me, Jennifer Montgomery of CrazyFaces, Face Painting and Body Art. It is Wednesday, November 11th, 2020, and I wanted to pop on to share some exciting news. We are now offering online face painting and henna body art workshops. So, if this is something of interest to you, go online to the website at www.jennifermontgomery.net. There is a workshops and classes tab which will give you more information. Also will allow you to enter your information in to request your class or workshop. It's very specific to you, so I don't really have a specific program per se that you have to follow. I want this to meet your needs. So whatever it is you're looking for, whether it be you're looking just for basics in face painting or basics in henna, or if you're looking for something more specific, say, hey, I'd like to learn how to paint my face, a specific design for a particular event, feel free, reach out to me for that, and then we can make that happen. We'll be doing this using Zoom. So basically it will be at your leisure, at your convenience, wherever you are in the world. So you can be anywhere, I can be anywhere, and we can even work this out so that I can provide a kit for you. So whatever it is that you're looking for, you tell me and we will work out the details, and also whatever the kit requirements will be, whatever you need material wise, so that you have whatever it is that you need to fulfill the task well. So I'm excited about this, mostly because I'm interested in sharing what I know and what I've learned over the years, and I also love the idea of doing it one-on-one. So I want to learn about you and learn about what your needs are, and I want to make that connection so that we can fulfill this in a way that works well for both of us. So also classes are an option as well, but again, it's mostly based on your needs and what works for you. So that's the most exciting part for me. I'm not a programs person, so basically this is to meet your needs and make it work and make it be fun. So again, online, you can visit my website. It's jennifermontgomery.net. There is a workshops and classes tab to allow you to enter your information. And in the meantime, in the next few days, I'm going to be creating an event for a henna workshop. So stay tuned for that, and then if you're interested, shoot me an email or just submit your information so you're then on the mailing list, and then I can include you in that link so you have the details for that. And that's basically going to be I'm going to set the date and time for that, and then if you can join, awesome. If not, then let me know if it's something you're of interest and you just can't make it, and then maybe we can make another time. So again, online, www.jennifermontgomery.net, workshops and classes. And I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.